Coward Springs. You're amazing. Thank you. So, Coward Springs today to Oodnadatta or Marla. I don't know which one yet. Well, Garmin InReach. I'll do a video on this thing. These are amazing. I've had no phone reception for 2 days and I've still been able to text, you know, the people I want to text just through the InReach. And the InReach, anyway, I'll do a video on it. Worth the money. Good idea. Alright, let's have a look. So, do you want to have a look? I'll show you. Righto, so I don't know if this is going to even work. Righto, so this is where we are here, Coward Springs. We'd like to make it, that's William Creek, so I need to stop at the pub there because apparently that's pretty good. This is Oodnadatta, so that's ideally where I wouldn't mind making it to today. And then there's Marla, which is just here, which apparently is a really nice place as well. So anyway, we'll see what else we find along the way, eh? Up it. So, right here, apparently this is the lowest part of Australia, so apparently it's 15 metres below sea level. It's actually a pretty cool little look out here. This is the ruins, this is Peak Ruins it's called. Peak Ruins. I have no idea what a hammer and garden leaning house is. stretch now between Williams Creek and Oodnadatta. 135 k's to go to Oodnadatta. We're getting there. 1 o'clock. Just woken up, so Oodnadatta. About 8 o'clock in the morning. I've been probably awake just dawdling around for a little bit, so about to roll the swag up, pack the swag up, pack all my gear up, and then head to Marla. Dare say that I'll probably stay there tonight. I think that'll be the go, but yeah, let's get moving and we'll see where we end up. At Marla now, at the roadhouse here. Got a nice little spot set up for the night on the grass. I'll have something to eat and do some washing. It's looking pretty dusty. You can certainly see that it's had a big couple of days. Darchy swag and seat, they're the best. God, that was so good. Absolutely what I needed to kind of wash the dust out.